Hey guys, my name's Shamaya. I'm new to YouTube and this is my first video / DIY how I made slime. I'm just putting it in my box properly. Well, it's not even a box. Why would it go in a box when it's just a plastic little thing? It carries on getting to my hands, but it's not sticky by the way. So first off, I used, well, I'll tell you why I got onto YouTube first. I got onto YouTube by all my mates in school because they had a YouTube account and I was just this kid like, oh my god, I need a YouTube account. No, I've got one. So I made slime. This is the slime. It made a hole in it, but I can always put it back into the slime. I'm going to be doing a diss track on some boy for my next video, but I don't know if it'll be today because 2 videos in one day. Well, it's okay. This is slime. It stretches so good, like not stretches but goes down so. It goes that far. Like you could save someone with it, you know, if they were stuck. One time. This is me annoying brother. 1 minute.
Coming up in a bit, I've got a huge summer jam ready for you just because I think we need it right now. I mean, I definitely would love to be transported back to summer. Definitely. Chris Brown is right after I with Katy Perry with the funniest video.
So annoying. Okay. Army toe. And guess what the best thing is about it? It's. I'm gonna kill him. Wait a minute. Get out. Get your drink and go. God, it's so annoying. Now get out. Get out. Just get out. Swish, swish, bitch. Swish, bitch. I just say bitch. Ah. Okay, so that's the slime. Oh, you can't see it. That's it. Yeah, I'm just showing you. Yeah. Oh, it smells of mint. Yeah. Right, that goes in there now, I'll tell you. First off, I use flour to get it like that. Like the flour so it can be rippable. And then back together. Second of all, to make it clear like this, and it changes the colour with the one that I made it with, it's got to be Imperial Leather or just Skin Kind if you want it my colour. Like that. Imperial Leather, Skin Kind, mouthwash and toothpaste to make it unstick. And you don't have to play with it like every day. It's pokeable, but like the pokes go back. Like I'll poke it in a minute to prove. Toothpaste makes mine pokeable, and this mouthwash makes it like this. Basically, makes it so it won't go hard. And I'm not lying. And the best thing is when it falls on the floor, it doesn't go dirty. And even if you drop it on concrete, this won't go dirty. There's a hair on it. You might only get a hair on it. Nikki getting tired. Who's the first? Who's the first? Okay, so that was my slime. Shall I do now? What shall I do now? Another one in the basket. Basket. Here comes me, I'm a stick around for more than a minute. Get used to bounce. Okay, now, yeah, I have to show you if it's pokeable. Bet you it is. Pick it out. Cameron dropped it on the floor. Okay, it does get a little dirty. Okay. You're looking right. Yes, it is pokeable. I look like I've got no nose. Too light camera. It's like alien poop. But it's, and you can add glitter. And if you don't like the colour of glitter, just go. Pull it out and it's gone. Look, I can add glitter. Oh my god, gone so dark. Oh yeah, and if you want to see a video with me and my mates, it's called Betty Time. That's it for my video. Oh, did I mention that I added this? I added that to make it bubbly. If you don't know what bubbly means, so you can hear bubbles pop. That goes in there. That's done. That's your DIY slime. You can always make it anytime, like literally anytime, and it's not even that hard. This was 50p, the Aquafresh, I think. You bought all this. Well, you're not gonna like that. About £5, £6. Nah. It's alright. You got that smell? Okay, so that was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed. My name's Shamaya. I told you that in the beginning. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you enjoy my next one. This track. Yeah. I'll be finding a new intro soon. Or maybe I'll put one in. I'm just gonna dance. Yo, baby! What you want from me? Can't hit the folks like me. Can I? Have to hit the park 'cause today is a good day. Weird. Look how fat I am. Look. That's how fat I am. And that was my video.